Hello and welcome to today's guided meditation. This meditation is a beautiful meditation to do as you fall asleep, allowing you to sink into a state of gratitude, and as you sleep, to receive affirmations and binaural frequencies of abundance, of magnetization, of attracting all you desire and more. So as you prepare to sleep tonight, allowing yourself to get settled, lying down with either headphones in or your speaker somewhere where it will carry the noise into your subconscious as you sleep. Allow yourself to get comfortable, settling into your breath, and simply breathe in through your nose, big, deep breaths and loud, audible exhales through your mouth. As you breathe in optimism, gratitude, and joy, and you exhale your day, continuing to breathe with intention. Before we begin our meditative journey, I ask that as you sleep, a special shield of protection is placed around you, that your body, mind, and spirit are aligned and infused with the highest vibrational energies of love and light, that you can repel all negative, lower vibrational energies or any energies wishing to do you hurt or harm, that as you sleep, deep peace, gratitude, joy, and abundance can take root in your system, that you can awake recharged, replenished, that your body can be hydrated, energized, and open to miracles as you rise in the morning. I ask that you're watched over as you sleep and held in love and grace. Breathing into that message, I now ask you to sink in to a state of gratitude. Gratitude for all that will come into your life and gratitude for all you have now. Breathing in to your gratuitous nature, feeling enlivened by the appreciation of your heart. And as you close your eyes, let this feeling of gratitude overwhelm every sense. Breathing deep in through your nose and out through your mouth. Envisioning yourself walking down a beautiful forest path, a lake to the left of you, beautiful thick trees to the right, the sun beaming down, gently warming your skin. A breeze ripples through your hair, caressing you slightly. Your bare feet in the cool soil as you walk this beautiful nature path. And as you continue to walk, a bright red energy swirls throughout you, rooting you into the earth, anchoring you in to the frequencies of the earth and her nurturing, loving form. As she takes all of your burdens, worries, and fears and alchemizes them into new life and sacred energy, you feel grounded, safe, and held here. Continuing to walk, a bright orange energy swirls through you now. This beautiful orange energy fills you with the most powerful, life-sustaining energies you've ever experienced. You feel full, nurtured, sustained by this life force energy, your divine feminine, free to surrender, to sink in to the flow state and know that all is well. A vibrant yellow now swirls through you, opening your power center, creating a deep internal fire with which you can alchemize this life force energy into the dreams and desires of your choosing, as your divine masculine creates with action, with structure and provisions, providing all that you might need on this earth journey, still deeply surrendered and grounded into the earth. A life-giving green energy now swirls through you, opening you to love, to oneness, to divine connection. With this vibrant frequency of love energy, you can give and receive freely. You can love without judgment, both yourself and the world. You vibrate higher, understanding now the frequency that created you, the frequency of love. And with another change of the colors, a beautiful bright blue energy moves down through you, awakening your throat chakra, revealing your soul essence and allowing you to freely proclaim your truth for the world to hear. No longer fearing rejection, no longer trying to conform or fit in. You are uniquely you, and you are safe to be you. Operating now from a soul level, with your heart open, your divine masculine moving forward, your feminine and beautiful flow anchored into the earth. As a beautiful indigo energy now moves through your third eye, awakening you to all the knowledge of the universe, all the knowledge you've always possessed. A deep remembering moves through you now. Every piece of the puzzle of this life and lives before and after come into perfect harmony and understanding. All senses, both human and ethereal, now activate, and you have a deep sense of knowing. And with the final burst of colors, a vibrant violet pours down through your crown, connecting you to all the divine support and awakening you to your own divinity, fully plugged into the cosmos, anchored into the earth, all power centers open, activated, and charged. You are now fully aligned in a deep state of rest and integration as you find yourself back on the beautiful path, the lake on the left, the trees on the right. And as you walk this path, you hear a beautiful call, a call from the waters beckoning you in. As you breathe, looking over to your left, you see dozens of mer creatures waiting for you, singing their healing song, beckoning you in. As you walk to the waters, one of the beautiful mer creatures greets you, reaching out their hand for you. You feel a deep sense of safety and trust as you begin to submerge yourself in the water. These creatures are here today to invoke within you your eternal abundance, your ability to magnetize and call in the dreams and desires of your heart. They are here to show you your sacred gifts and tools, to remind you of your sacred essence. and to restore your body as you sleep. As you dive under the water, fully able to breathe and flow with the other mer creatures, you see a whole new world. Swimming gallantly, you feel energized, fresh, renewed. You dive deeper and deeper, and as you find the center of the lake where all these creatures reside, you are swam into a beautiful, exotic room. Amazing and beautiful trinkets, all sorts of objects you've never seen before pique your interest. And in the center of the room is a beautiful chair. The mer creatures beckon you to this chair, and as you sit, they each present you with a message and a gift about your own abundance, your own ability to magnetize, and a sacred remembering of all that you are. Take the next several moments to simply listen to their message for you. As this beautiful ceremonial message comes to an end, the mer creatures open a portal before you. This is the portal of manifestation. As you enter this portal, you will have the opportunity to envision the life of your dreams. And as you do, an infinite amount of money, energy, life force will be in a constant flow into you. You will be absorbing this influx of wealth and abundance at every level. Taking a deep breath as you step through this powerful portal. As you step in, begin to visualize the life, the world, the existence of your dreams, the sacred calling of your heart, as if it were all happening here and now. As you feel it, see it, sense it, you begin to notice that money in every form is beginning to surround you and flow into you. You feel deep frequencies of healing, optimal energy being imbued in every cell. You feel yourself calibrating to an entirely new timeline, quantum leaping into this existence. Allow yourself to experience this existence as if it were happening now. Sinking into gratitude for all that is before you. Allowing yourself to feel deep inner peace, knowing you are worthy to receive now and always as you welcome in this new life. Stepping out of the portal now, bringing with you this energy, knowing it is a part of you at a cellular level. As the portal closes and the mer creatures surround you in a deep celebration of all you were able to receive tonight, as they touch your heart space with their hands, imprinting you with the deepest frequency of unconditional love, so that you will always remember this experience, so that as you arise in the morning, you will arise a new person, in a new experience, in a new timeline, with a deep knowing and a faith of all that you are and all that you're calling in. As they usher you up to the top of the waters now, propelling you onto the land as you wave goodbye, walking back down the beautiful path again. You are worthy. Repeating in your mind, I am a magnet for miracles. I am deserving of all the desires of my heart. I have aligned to the frequency of wealth and abundance. I am the energy of love. Wealth is energy, and I attract all that I am. I remember my divine calling, and I stand in commitment to my purpose and my truth here and now. I remember my sacred knowing. I am worthy of miracles now and always. I am held. I am safe. I am constantly protected and positioned by the universe that loves me and supports me in all that I do. I am worthy of my dreams coming true. I am safe. I am sound. All my dreams abound. I welcome in the universal call. I step into it all with faith and knowing and deep self-care. I see wealth everywhere. Walking down this beautiful path, feeling enlivened and safe, allowing yourself to drift into a deep, rejuvenating sleep while you awake in the morning with the remembering of this all and a commitment to your new life, remembering just how powerful